Want to change your name on Instagram without Facebook? In this video, I will guide you on how to do that. The first thing you want to do is launch open the Instagram app on your device. Now tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now tap on the three lines at the top right corner. Once you're here, tap on Account Center. Then tap on Profiles. Now select your Facebook profile. Tap on your Facebook profile again. Toggle off the option of Sync Profile Info. Tap on Stop Syncing. Once that is done, you want to head back. Now on your profile, tap on Edit Profile option. Then you can simply tap on your name. Now edit it however you want. After that, tap on the checkmark option at the top right corner. Then tap on Change Name for confirmation. And as you can see, your Instagram name has been successfully changed without Facebook. And that's it for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.